Have you ever yawned just because you saw someone else do it? Yawning is weirdly contagious, but why does it even happen? Scientists believe yawning helps cool your brain. When you're tired or bored, your brain heats up, and a yawn brings in fresh oxygen to chill it out. But why is it contagious? It's all about empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers your brain's mirror neurons, making you feel what they feel. It's a sign you're connected. So, did you yawn while watching this? If so, we're officially in sync. Follow for more fun science facts.